In this video, let us solve question number 5 of exercise 13.1. The question is, in a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contain varying number of mangoes. Following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. This is the distribution table. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? Here two questions are. First one we have to find the mean. Now let us find the mean, and first we have to rearrange the table into two columns and six rows. The first column contains class interval. The second column contains frequency, that is number of boxes. Here you can observe that it is not a continuous series, isn't it? 52, 52, 53, there is a difference of 1 between these. So now let us do one thing to make it continuous. Here let us add plus half to the upper limit of the class interval, and let us subtract half from the lower class limit, and now let us rewrite the thing here from 49.5 to 52.5, from 52.5 to 55.5, like that. Now let us rewrite like this: 49.5 to 52.5, 15 boxes; 52.5 to 55.5, 110 boxes; 55.5 to 58.5, 135; 58.5 to 61.5, 115; 61.5 to 64.5 is 25. Class size is here 3, isn't it? Here also 3. Class size is 3. So class size of each class interval is 3. Now let us find class mark. So now let us add one more column for class mark, that is xi. You know how to find out the class mark. Lower class limit plus upper class limit. What it is? 49.5, 52.5. We have to add 1 or 2. If we add a lower class limit and upper class limit, we will get 102. Divided by 2 is what? 51. So class mark of the first class interval is 51. Since the class size is 3, now we can go on adding 3 to each class mark to get the next one. 51 plus 3, what it is? 54. 54 plus 3, 57. 57 plus 3, 60. 60 plus 3, 63. Let us solve the problem by step deviation method. Here you can observe that both fi and xi are of bigger numbers. If we go on multiplying, it is very time consuming. So let us adopt step deviation method. The formula for which is mean is equal to a plus summation of fi uy upon summation of fi into h. H we know it is 3, isn't it? Let us assume a mean, the middle one, that is 57. So a is equal to 57. Now let us create a new column for di, which is equal to xi minus a. Here xi is 51 minus 57. What it is? 51 minus 57. That is minus 6. 54 minus 57. That is minus 3. 57 minus 57, that is 0. 60 minus 57, that is 3. 63 minus 57, that is 6. Now let us add one more column to uy. You know that uy is equal to di by h. H is 3. Here di is minus 6 minus 6 by 3, what it is? Minus 2. Minus 3 by 3, what it is? Minus 1. 0 by 3 is 0. 3 by 3 is 1. 6 by 3 is 2. Now let us add one more column for Fi into Uy. You have to multiply the numbers under the column Fi and the numbers under the column Uy. 15 minus 2, that is minus 30. 110 into minus 1, that is minus 110. 135 into 0, that is 0. 115 into 1, that is 115. 25 into 2, that is 50. Now let us find the sum of all the frequencies, that is summation of Fi. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, carry 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Now let us find the summation of Fi Ui. Sum of the negative values, what it is? Minus 140. Sum of positive values, what it is? 165. If we add these two, you will get 25. So assumed mean is 57. Summation of Fi is 400. Summation of FIUY is 25. H is 3. Now let us substitute the values in the formula for step deviation. That is, mean x bar is equal to a plus summation of FIUY upon summation of Fi into h. Here a is 57 plus summation of FIUY is 25. Summation of Fi is 400 into h is 3. This is mean. So mean is equal to 57 plus plus 3 by 16. That is equal to 57 plus 3 by 16, which is approximately equal to 0.19. That is equal to 57.19. So mean is equal to 57.19. So the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box is 57.19. We chose step deviation method. The answer for this question.